What's up, buds? Welcome to Wanna Buy It. As always, I'm your host, Rodney. Today we're in my room. We're doing something a little different. We're gonna do a quick little vlog. We are on the hunt for something. I'll tell you about it in the car. So this way everything happens in the room. I guess I never really showed you guys a room. I'm pretty sure you've seen it in all my videos by now. This is me and Iconic setup for when she streams and when I do the YouTube videos. This is the bed. This is Iconic. This is our storage area for now, or her storage area for her food and stuff. And then this is our entertainment center. This is my soundbar that I'm testing out right now. Actually, as you see, it's connected. I'll probably be doing a review on that today. And then our All Might laundry basket. This is what we just reviewed. And then All Might laundry basket. And that's about it. Look at this, buds. My Hitachi fanny pack. Pretty nice, buds. Let me show you my computer setup. Of course, got fairy tale up there. But then look at Mr. Mine holding the glass, making the glass wall. You like that idea, buds? All right, buds, let's go. Let's head to the car and let's talk about this plan. Please excuse my floor mats. They're pretty dirty, buds. We had the Star Wars theme going on, the Stormtroopers theme. So my floor mat's really dirty because, you know, when I leave work. I didn't take into account how hard it was gonna be to clean the white mats. So that was a big mistake on my end. So I really messed up, but that was the theme of the car when I first got it. I guess I could tell you guys are my buds. I'm gonna tell you guys a little secret, buds, a little secret about this car. The theme is gonna change. I'm gonna paint it all black and cloak it all out in the Katsuki clouds. Not gonna be crazy, just like small clouds all over the place, but they're gonna be like a medium size, pretty big, so there's only a good amount of clouds on all over the car, so it doesn't look like it's too much suffocated in the red clouds. But yeah, that's the plan. So that's between us, buds. Don't tell nobody. But I can't wait for that day. I gotta save up a lot of money for that. But house first, then the color of the cloud. The changing the Challenger to the clouds. But all right, let's go. Let's head to Walmart. All right, bud. So the plan is to go to Walmart to find the Apple Watch. That's my main goal. We're gonna look at other tech if we can't find it, because this is the only one that I seen on their app that said that they have it, which is like 2 Walmarts past, you know, that are closer to me. So I'm gonna go see if they have it there. My pops' birthday is tomorrow, so I want to get him something because he just got the Apple iPhone finally, after we like tell him just get an iPhone because his phones will always mess up stuff. So we want to get him an Apple Watch to go with that. It'd be some cool new tech for him because he does like watches, so we might as well have something that works well with his phone. So that's the plan. I'm just hoping they have it, because everywhere on the app and online says sold out at all the Walmarts. And of course, because of the pandemic right now, that's the only place that's open is Walmart, where I can get some tech really out here in California at least. All right, buds, I got my mask on. We are here at Walmart. Took us a little bit, but we are here. We're about to go. We're gonna hit the grocery store, or no, we're gonna hit Walmart real quick, look for the Apple Watch. If not, find some other tech for Pop's birthday. And then after that, we gotta go to the grocery store because kind of need some more stuff, some healthy stuffs. So I'll see you guys in there. Change of plans. We're gonna do the grocery shopping here because there's not a lot of people here. And I already know once we go to Stater Brothers, like we were planning to, it's probably gonna be packed because of Memorial Day weekend. So we're just gonna do the shopping here, and then we're head to the tech area, and hopefully they got it. Because I think if not, I'm gonna have to drive like 40 minutes to go get to the other Walmart if it's not here. Here comes Iconic with her mask on. Mask on, mask off. Look at Iconic's mask. Who you got on there? Nesco-chan. I always look for shirts at Walmart. They've been slowly adding more anime shirts at Walmart. I think I got my, let me think, my Deku shirt, my white Deku shirt that's in the last video. I got it from Walmart. It was like $7, so I'm gonna check that again. They normally have Dragon Ball Z and stuff though, so we'll see. Well, there goes the shirt area. Yeah, see, this is the one I got from here. I got that one, and it was $7-8. But that's about it. And they haven't really been restocking since this stuff really happened. And then there's normally a Dragon Ball Z one always, like the Goku one. They normally have Kakashi here too. And I don't know where that's at. Yeah, so that's where I got my Deku one at, is here at Walmart. And then they normally have Kakashi, Naruto, and the Gokus, but that's mainly it. But I like that they have the Deku one. I hope they have some more, you know, My Hero shirts here, and I can't wait for that. So anime slowly taking over the USA. Area buds, we are now looking for the Apple Watch. I really want to get this and try this out. I gotta see, I want to see that. I also want to try this one out. These are very expensive though. You know, we're on a budget out here, buds, on this channel. You know how we do it. So we'll see. Oh, I did a review of the, was it these ones or the older brothers? It was these ones. Those are really nice. I love those. These JBLs too. See, I got distracted, but we gotta get back on the mission. Everything that like is wiped out of the course. Those JBLs are not too bad. Or those sound cores, those are the sound cores. How much are these skull candies? Oh, these are not a bad price either. We might get some more headphones to review, buds. Not here right now though. Not right now, not right now. But yeah, let's see, everything is wiped out. Oh, sound bars, let's see what we got over here, buds. I normally just search and see, like, I look for good prices for you guys when I look at sound bars and headphones, because, you know, not everyone has crazy money to buy, like, $300 headphones and $1,000 sound bars and stuff. So that's, like, always the goal on the channel, is get some nice budget ones. I think the most expensive thing we have is a $500 sound bar on the channel. But that thing is worth it. It's so loud and big banging bass. We also have this too. I have a review of this. I put it up in the links for you guys. I'm looking at this one. This is the next soundbar I've been looking at, because it is very high on Amazon and people love this thing. So I want to see it. I wonder if these are wireless. So this might be the next soundbar other than the one we already have on the channel. Oh, Buzz, this is nice. Look at this. A wireless rear speakers, the Roku soundbar. Look at this big old bass right here. That's pretty nice. How much is it? Oh, that's not bad. We might get this one. This might be the next review, buds. For real, for real. This might be the next one. I'm really liking this soundbar.
For everything?
I think so. If this is the price for everything, that's when we might do it. Got the wireless subwoofer. Dang, that looks nice. Those are some big rear speakers, bigger than the JBLs. So for this price, if you can get close to the $500 sound of the JBL, we'll be good to go. All right, bud, so we got here. They only had 2 left. They had one in black and one in white. So we got one of them for Pops for his birthday. So I'm very excited about that. So we got the Series 3 Apple Watch for him. So this is a success so far. We don't have to run around towns looking for this. So I'm so glad we got here this early in the morning. Right when I seen it, I was like, let me get up and get to the Walmart and make sure, you know, they have it. And they do. So we got one of the 2 that are left. I definitely didn't get him white because, you know, when he's working, it's going to get dirty. Back home, Iconic is filling the fridge up. All right, bud, so mission was a success, bud. So now I'm going to set up to do this review on the soundbar. I really like that soundbar we've seen in Walmart, that Roku one. I'm definitely going to look at it, especially if it's $129 with all that stuff. I don't know if it's $129 just for the speaker, so I'm gonna look that one up because it looked really nice. I like the presentation of it, how it looked, and I liked how big the rear speakers were. So I'm gonna look that one up, and hopefully we can get that on this channel. And yeah, so I'm gonna go to my room. I'll show you guys how I set up for videos that you guys see on this channel. It's nothing special. Like, anyone can do it. If you guys want to start a YouTube channel, you really don't need too much. Like right now, I'm on my iPhone 11. That's what I shot most of my videos with until I got the Canon. But I'll show you guys how I set up stuff normally. All right, but so normally when you see my setup, I have, you know, I just take the blanket off of here, and then I use my Akatsuki blanket, and I just lay it across. Since I have nothing on the wall, it's like the only decorations I have. I did order a Akatsuki like 3-panel a 3-panel like painting thing, but we'll see how that comes out because it was fairly cheap. You know, sometimes you get horrible quality. So I sit here, I do this. Normally whatever iconic stuff is over here, I throw on the floor for the video. And then this is the setup, my little light. So this is my setup. I just use this light right here to get more lighting. It's the only one I use. I have 2. My mom does eBay, so she uses that one, the other one I had. So, but it comes with 3. It's like they give you 2 of these umbrella ones, and then you get like a smaller version one. But you only need 1 really. This is my setup. This is how I set up for a video. And this is what you guys normally see all the time, every day. So this is my setup. But today we're gonna be shooting it that way most of the time because I'm gonna be showing off the sound bar. So I'll probably be facing it the other way, and I'll come back over here for the finish. But this is normally what you'll see on the videos, nothing special. That's why I always believe, like, if you guys wanna start YouTube, you don't need much. You guys can do YouTube right now with your phones like I did. This was basically my setup. And I didn't use that light I had for a while. I just started doing it after I did the JBL soundbar video. My sister was holding up that light and I was like, I need to start doing that. So normally I just use my regular light. You can get light bulbs, like LED light bulbs from like the Dollar Tree, and you can use those for good lighting. I believe that's where mine are from, Dollar Tree or Walmart, I don't know. But yeah, all right, bud, so this is the setup right here. And this is where I do my editing. I do it right here. You guys probably seen this a couple of times. Got my wallpapers, got Kana right here. And then this Garrett does wallpapers, so nice. And this is my PC that my boy built for me. Shout out JT. Pretty sure he's probably gonna see this. So he built this up. It's really, really nice. And of course the Mr. Mine I showed you guys earlier. And then my boy Itachi on the custom Google homepage. I gotta love it. So when I do my videos, like I use Premiere Pro. That's the first thing I did because me and my sister used to do a vlog channel way back in the day. So I use Premiere Pro. I got really used to it. I like the shortcuts in it, but you can use any software. You can use iMovie or whatever. You can use that if you want. You can do it right off your phone as well and you just upload it there. You'll get so used to using a program, whatever you use, you'll get so used to using it that you'll fly through cutting and editing the video to post for YouTube. So don't think you need a Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. You don't need none of that. You can just use iMovie on your phone if you have to and just put all your clips in there and cut it up. You'll start getting better with the software and how to cut and maneuver it. It'll be really quick for you to get that perfect video you want to post to YouTube. So don't think you need some professional like video editing software. You don't have to pay the money. Like my Premiere Pro is like 20 bucks a month just for Premiere Pro. So you don't have to pay that. You guys can use whatever you want. Just learn the program. Check out the realistic Charizard and then the realistic Arcanine. Those things are tight. But yeah, bud, so use whatever software you want. Don't let no one tell you any different. All right, bud, so now I'm just here editing the video, as you guys can see. And I'm just gonna finish this up. It's gonna take a little bit, then upload it and onto YouTube and do the hash stuff and all that. And then I'm gonna edit this video. That's a little mini vlog series thing for you guys. So I'm gonna be editing 2 videos and shooting 2 videos. And after that, I'm done and to chill for the day. So this is what I'll be doing the rest of the day. I'm gonna just end the video here because there's nothing else I'm gonna be doing other than sitting here and editing a video. So I hope you guys have a good one. I hope you guys enjoyed this little small little vlogish video. If you guys liked it, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, buzz. I see you guys in the next video. It'll probably be this soundbar review. Peace.